Welcome to the Shop Phillip e-commerce marketing podcast. I'm William, your host, and today we're diving into the basics of setting up your Shopify store. Whether you're just starting or need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you get your store up and running smoothly with Shop Phillip's expert tips. Today, we have Delilah with us.
Hi everyone, I'm Delilah and I'm excited to join William today. Setting up a Shopify store can seem overwhelming at first, but we'll break it down into manageable steps to make the process easier for you, leveraging our expertise here at Shop Phillip.
Let's get started, Delilah. The first step is to sign up for Shopify. Head over to shopify.com and click on Start Free Trial. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and choose your store name.
That's right, William. Once you've signed up, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information about your store. Shopify will ask questions about what you plan to sell, your current revenue, and whether you're already selling. This helps Shopify tailor their suggestions and tools to your specific needs.
After that, you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage your store, from adding products to processing orders. The next step is to choose a theme for your store's design. Shopify offers a variety of free and paid themes in their theme store. Am I right, Delilah?
You're always William. Choosing the right theme is crucial because it sets the tone for your store and impacts user experience. Take your time to browse through the themes and pick one that aligns with your brand's look and feel. You can preview themes before committing to one.
Once you've selected a theme, it's time to customize it. Go to the online store section in your dashboard, click on Themes, and then Customize. Here you can change colors, fonts, and layout settings to match your brand. You can also add your logo and other branding elements.
Exactly, William. Customization is the key to making your store unique. Next, you'll want to add products. Go to the product section in your dashboard and click Add Product. Enter the product title, description, and upload high-quality images. Make sure your descriptions are detailed and highlight the benefits of your product.
Don't forget to set the price, inventory, and shipping options for each product. You can also add product variants if you have different sizes or colors. Once your products are added, it's important to organize them into collections. This makes it easier for customers to navigate your store.
Well said, William. Collections can be based on product categories, seasons, or any other criteria that makes sense for your store. Now let's talk about setting up payment gateways. Go to Settings and then Payment. Shopify supports a variety of payment methods, including credit cards and popular payment methods.
Noted. Enabling multiple payment options can help increase your conversion rates. After setting up payments, you need to configure your shipping settings. Go to Settings and then Shipping. Here you can set shipping zones, rates, and methods. Consider offering free shipping if it fits your business model.
Great point. The final step is to review and test your store. Go through your store as if you were a customer to ensure everything works correctly. Check for broken links, test the checkout process, and make sure your site looks good on mobile devices.
Once you're satisfied with everything, it's time to launch. Remove the password protection from your store in the online store settings and you're live. Promote your store on social media, through email marketing, and any other channels you have. And remember, Shop Phillip is here to support you every step of the way with our expert e-commerce marketing services.
Congratulations, you've set up your Shopify store. Remember, the work doesn't stop here. Continuously update your store, add new products, and optimize your marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales.
That's it for today's episode. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you get started with your Shopify store. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us at Shop Phillip. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more e-commerce tips and insights. See you next time. Happy selling with Shop.